how about a microwave collapsible silicone and glass cooking system where you can cook an entire meal. Here I did salmon with my asparagus. It comes with 3 different pieces. One, it lifts the food up so you can steam in there. It's a glass bottom, silicone base. And then this lid can go from that high level, but also it can collapse down all the way down. So the entire system itself is only this big when you're not using it. And this lid becomes a universal lid. Glass and silicone, no plastic. I love this for the microwave.
Whoa, okay. Chefologist up in the house.
Hello.
Hi, Chef Rick Roman.
How are you?
Collapsible microwave cooking system.
That's right.
Okay, $48, $9.60 on an easy pay. K99273, there are only 2 colors. You're looking at them now. This is everything in your gray. And we also have the red, 800 in each. There's a cake.
There's a cake. So how about this? Because of this high lid, okay, now I can bake my cakes, use this as a cake carrier. Again, the bottom of this is glass. It also comes with this insert here that you see, which also allows you now when you put your food in the microwave, it creates a lift so that you can allows the grease to drain off, and also it allows you to steam. You could do wontons. But then the lid itself is a universal lid. So if you have a big pot of sauce on the stove, guess what? Up to 10 inches, you have that nice large lid. It's got the vent, the steam vent release, so it allows the steam to come out, whether you're in the microwave or on the stove top, or if you're frying, if you're doing bacon. Now, how about this? What? It's a microwave bacon cooker. So in about 6 minutes, this is what I just did. And that you heard that
hot?
beep.
Do you need gloves?
Well, it does get warm, but this one it's not quite hot enough. But if you do something for a long time, but this was about 6 minutes. Check this out. Microwave bacon, okay, in the microwave. All the fat drains down below this, and now I have perfectly cooked, it's a little hot, bacon. This took about 6 minutes in the microwave, depending on how you microwave. So now you've got a bacon cooker. But then, like I said, this lid...
And it's not sitting in its grease.
It's not sitting in its grease. This lid can go from pan to pan. So maybe if you were doing ground beef or bacon on the stovetop, you have got a universal lid that's going to keep the splatter from going all over the place.
It goes everywhere.
Goes everywhere. Dishwasher safe, so it doesn't matter.
All pieces, all 3 pieces?
All 3 pieces dishwasher safe. And then, when you're not using this insert here, look over here in front of me, and you have a trivet. A trivet. So
it really is a whole system.
When we think about, system.
3 pieces.
We want our kitchen appliances and tools to be multifunctional, you know? So they're taking up space, earn that real estate in the kitchen. That's why I love about something like this.
It's working harder, not smarter.
Exactly. And you know, there's so many things that people cook with in the microwave. It was important to us to make sure it was quality. So this, glass. This is glass. This is not plastic. And silicone. So you're not touching your food with any plastic. It's only silicone and glass.
This is glass too, right?
And it's a soup, and the base of the plate is glass as well.
Okay.
So just the plate alone, you can use to reheat and cook food on if you want, just in the microwave. And then when it's time to store it, I love the lid. It can go in a couple different functions. There's partially collapsed. There's fully collapsed. So now it's a universal lid, but also it's not taking up all that space in your cabinet. And then if you're reheating food in the microwave, think about this. You put your food in the microwave and you're like, well, wait a minute, it's going to go all over the place. Well, now I just take one of the lids, just like this, and now I have a plate cover for my microwave to reheat food.
This is cool.
How about popcorn, by the way?
How about it?
You put the kernels in the microwave, take one of the lids, and put it over a bowl. It could be any glass bowl, and you can pop popcorn in the microwave.
Never seen anything like this. It does so much.
So much. You know, it's a super smart design. I love it. The lid itself is so functional, but then if we wanted to give you something that was really high quality that allowed you to literally cook inside your microwave. Our microwave sits there. How often do we use it just to like reheat our coffee? Now we can cook full meals. And here's the other thing. I didn't have it with me today, but you can cook an entire chicken, a 4 to 5 pound chicken roaster. Put some barbecue sauce on it. Put it on this, put your high lid on top, about 30 minutes in the microwave, you can cook an entire chicken.
No way.
I swear, and it is so juicy and moist, you never believe it.
Because you're locking in all those flavors.
The only thing you don't get is you don't get that super crispy skin, but you know, the chicken itself, it's so moist with the barbecue sauce.
That
and you're getting
sounds
3 pieces.
Delicious. All right, you just choose the color, whether you want all 3 pieces in the gray, or if you want it in the red, as we've seen being demoed in front of us. It really is like working on your stovetop. It's working in your microwave. It's working really just everywhere that you need it to be.
It is, and like I said, for me, what I love about it is that each piece has its function. And now you can see this is a different shape depending on how you collapse or open the lid. So now you got that kind of more that squared off cover. Here I cooked, again, a full salmon dinner. So this
And
could
you
be
did that
salmon.
all in the microwave?
Yeah, all I did was put a little bit of white wine and some herbs, and it steamed the asparagus and my fish. And this all can go in the dishwasher, the lid, the base, and the inside piece that lifts the food up.
So you put was just some white wine and some
Little
herbs?
white wine, some herbs, and it kind of it was almost poached and steamed the vegetable and the fish together.
Oh, that sounds good.
So good.
And easy.
And to me, the bacon cooking, being able to cook the bacon in the microwave without a splatter. Hey, how often do you need a whole pound of bacon? Well, here I did bacon for 2 in 5 minutes in the microwave.
Do you know I am the worst at making bacon?
I'm
really bad at it. I don't know what it is. I can cook.
By the way,
it's not a problem.
let's
but
compare
bacon,
it.
I burn it every single time.
Look at it in the pan, how the ends aren't cooked.
Yeah.
See how this looks
That's
fatty?
even cooking.
Look at this cooked. Perfectly even in the microwave. So
I just need it for bacon and nothing else.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So it's like, again, to me, it's taking the microwave and all of a sudden making it a true cooking vessel.
Yeah.
That's what this system
Not
is
just
for.
to reheat.
Not just to reheat.
Which you can still do with these pieces also.
Oh, absolutely. And again, just the expandability. See, that's one level out. This is fully expanded. So you have the height to cover large objects like a whole chicken. But then, when you want to collapse it, all you do is like push it down just like that. That's partially collapsed. That's fully collapsed. Now you have a true universal lid for all your pots and pans, and it also makes it compact to store because it's not that high when it's collapsed.
This is so smart. You're so smart, Chefologist.
Listen, when you're in the kitchen all the time, you want to come up with ideas that are more efficient and make it easier.
Yeah, and you did it. Well done. Here's the gray. You're getting all 3 pieces. This is the red. It's $9.60 on your 5 easy paces, K99273.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I'm staying here. Never mind. Do you have more?